The perfect low-profile, lightweight chair for camping, the beach, outdoor concerts, sporting events and much more. Comfortable. With breathable mesh fabric and cushioned armrests. Compact. Just 21 high and 20 wide, meeting requirements for most outdoor music festivals. Sits 9 off the ground, allowing you to easily snuggle up by the campfire. Folds up fast and stows easily at 26 by 8. Convenient. Handy storage bag with shoulder straps included. Capable. Strong steel and aluminum frame holds up to 250 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Pretty sturdy, seems like it will last a long time. Pretty sturdy, gave it a good workout on several beaches this past week. I am about 180 pounds and had no issues with this chair. Pretty sturdy and doesn't weigh too much. If you want to lean back, you can just dig the back legs into the sand deeper. The chair does not have any sort of headrest, so if you're going to be doing hours and hours of sitting, you may want to get something else. But the purpose of this one is a quick carry and it does its job. I stuffed it into my hiking pack on a recent trip to the Caribbean and still had plenty of room for clothes and whatnot.